So before starting anything on this video, I just want to make a live withdrawal as usual. So what I have to do now is to enter. As you can see, I'm currently having 50.68 Hong Kong dollar on my account, which is currently worth 6.44 US dollars, and also worth 5.89 euro compared to the both sides. So what I have to do is to edit the amount that I want to withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is 50 HKD and I'm having 50.68 HKD. So the next thing is for me to click on this CVC here and copy my CVC code over here. That is kind of a withdrawal code. So then head back to my account. As you can see, I've already linked my wallet address. So what I will do is to click on next step, and then it's going to ask me for my CVC code, and I will enter it and then click on this particular place and say withdraw. So as you can see, according to the video, my withdrawal request have been sent and will process shortly. So later on, I got a notification that 6.44 USDT was deposited to my account successfully, and as you can see right now, I don't have any other balance on my account. So welcome once again to another video on Chao Bank. Chao Bank is a banking platform which I've been sharing on my channel for a long time now, and this is their site interface. This is Chao Bank, and if you go over to about us, you know who you are. You can see how the digital banking works and other things. So if you go over to who you are, you will see it over here that Chao Bank is one of the best updates that has come so far. So if you look over here, you see that they give out loans and other things. Chao Bank Save and Grow with Chao Bank and other things. So if you scroll down a bit, you see everything. This both their profit calculator, how you know what you got in a year. And for a proper introduction, Chao Bank is proudly part of the outstanding Global Future Corporation. It was opened in 2022, just like I normally tell you guys, and you can also follow the link in the description of this video, read more about them and know how about them and what their works. So if you look over here, you also see that they have over 1,000 employees, over 27,000 board holders base, which I'm also one of them, 78,500 plus issue credited, and debit card holders of 120,250 plus, which I'm also one of them, which I just showed you guys how I use my debit card to withdraw to my wallet address. So you can also watch here and see who is their founder, who is Yao Chang and this. So you can also check out their social media handles through this social media handle part tab over here and see how Chao Banks work. This is their roadmap and documents and white paper. You can easily read all these things for more information on Chao Bank. So enough of the intro, let's talk about how Chao Banks works and how you can easily make money with it. You can make money on it, Chao Bank, by buying bond, but first of all, make sure your account is verified, just like you have seen my own account is verified. So the next thing you have to do is to log into your account and check out every details about the account. And now we make money from buying bonds. So how do you buy bond? It's very simple. Just click on this three dotted line icon here, click select bond, and it's going to take you over to where you will see the bond. So they have two types of bond. The first one is the series BB, and the second one is series AA, number 7280, and the second one is number 51990. So you can easily buy bond. Minimum purchase is 10 bonds. So what you have to do is you can pay with your account balance if you have anything on your account, but if you don't have anything on your account, you can easily select this particular place and select the cryptocurrency of your choice. So for me, I normally love to use TLC20 because it gives me the accurate price of dollar without doing much calculation. So 10 bonds is going to cost you $101.68, and as you can see, I have around 2 bonds running for me, giving me revenue every single week. Every single week I withdraw it. So this type of 2 bonds, you can easily use them and earn. You can be earning 0.45% maturity for 3 years in this particular one, and this particular one is 0.55% maturity is for 3 years also. So every week they will calculate your percentage and send it to your account. So this particular one is going to cost you 5,000, is 4 USDT, but this the first one is only going to cost you $101.68, which is the first bond that I created. As you can see, I have earned 350 Hong Kong dollars from it already. So that is it. Next thing you have to do is to click on buy bond over here, and it will take you to where you will get a one-time payment wallet address, and once you pay for it, automatically the bond have started earning for you. So the next thing is to go ahead and withdraw just the way I would run. And you can also make money by referral. All you have to do is just go over to this particular place, scroll down a bit, and copy your referral link. You can earn from referring people. So that is one of the biggest things. You can also check out how other things work. Even this place is transaction details, where you will see your transactions, both profits, referral bonus, and withdrawal details right here. And for more information, you can easily go over to their Telegram channel with a link in the description of this video or wherever, and get more information where the admins throw more information on Chao Bank. You can also reach them by their support and also see how everything works. So that is it for now on Chao Bank. See you guys on my next video. Bye.